DBTL, as everybody knows, is a very recent phenomena as far as LPG is concerned. But the scale and scope of DBTL has expanded kind of magically in the last 3 or 4 months. The scheme was launched formally on the 1st of June 2013 in 20 districts. And when we started, we had the Aadhaar seeding of only about 12% in the banks, and it was about 40–50% in the LPG database. Today, as we speak, in these 20 districts which were initially covered, our LPG seeding has shot up to 77%, and the bank seeding is close to 68%. So I think that simply goes to say that, as in the first panel what was discussed, that it is a process, and we cannot set milestones, and if that milestone is not achieved, we say that this scheme is a failure. We have been grappling with various challenges, but the effects of the DBTL are already evident. We have been able to, so far received around 2.5, it's now in implementation in 97 districts in the country. And we have collected roughly 2.5 crore Aadhaar numbers. We've already deduplicated roughly 1.5 lakh, duplicate connections, which means roughly an annual saving subsidy of 70 crores per annum. Now, that is the simplest of the benefits we have already achieved. Apart from that, the sales of, the intention of the direct benefit transfer was to actually reduce diversion of subsidized LPG into the consumer market, into the commercial market. The sales in September, when the market prices came into force in these 20 districts, is minus 20% compared to September last year. So, which just gives you and the growth rate of commercial LPG, which is where it was getting diverted, is roughly 25 to 30%. Now, these two numbers put together just show the way we can benefit from the direct benefit transfer scheme. The consumers are benefited because they get subsidy in advance in their bank accounts, as long as banks are reachable. There is a good BC model. People are happy that the money is there with them to buy the cylinder. I'll just like to repeat one, a press report in Kerala which said that the money reaches faster than you can cook rice. So that's how, is the consumer perception in a state of change management has been I guess, the biggest, not technology really. I mean, although it's a technology initiative, DBTL is a technology initiative, but I think the change management has taken the most of my time and effort to really succeed in this endeavor. We have a lot of stakeholders in this program. The internal stakeholders, which are my own consumers, my own employees of the oil marketing companies, and then there are the intermediaries who actually deliver the cylinders. Your famous, I'm sure all of you have some relationship with your LPG distributor when you get the gas. And those are most of the lot where, the major criticism arises in today's marketing setup. Apart from this, the scheme has a lot of, bankers as one of the major hub where we have had to also, interact and ensure that the expectations of the LPG consumers are met. A very strong IEC, information education campaign, has been the hallmark of DBTL. We have deployed multiple modes of, reaching out to consumers. We have deployed multiple modes of seeding the Aadhaar number in the consumer databases. We have got strong internal training programs for all our employees of the oil marketing companies so that they are outward looking and look from the perspective of the consumers. We have had a series of focus groups with our consumers in the entire country where we have sought the expectations of the consumers, and those have been, visibly seen in the initiatives such as the transparency portal, which we have launched, in the portability of LPG connections, which we have just recently launched across the companies. Till till now you could not change your connection. Now in 30, 40 cities, you can actually change your distributor at will. One of the persons wrote to me saying that, I've spoken to my distributor 40 times so far, and he never responded. Today I applied for portability and he came to my house. So suddenly the equation has changed. From the consumer being on the receiving side, consumer has become the king. So there has been a lot of internal change, and such positive feedback from the consumers leads to a lot of change initiatives on their own. And I think that has been the key to success in DBTL.